Right, so another quick Slingshot trigger prototype. Well, this is it. I'll explain it a little bit better in a minute. But what you've got is this piece of wood. It's cut like this. It's got a slot at the front, and I've put this one on. It kind of almost resembles the idea of a clothes peg, but slightly different. I've just put elastic on here for now. You could do it with a hinge, I reckon. I'll show you how it works. Actually, so you'd want a piece of wood, and you'd want to screw this onto one end, like that, or something like this. Screw it on the end. On the other end, you'd want to attach your slingshot or your slingshot forks, whatever, like that. So your trigger down that end, your catapult slingshot somehow attached to this end. We'll have to just imagine that this is on the piece of wood. And the only other thing you'd have to do is, I've left this piece of string long, but you would cut it off. So in a hole on the back of the pouch, stick a piece of string with a large-ish knot on the end of it, and I've just knotted this end. Obviously you would cut this long bit off, but somehow attach it like that, and then make sure this part of the trigger is down, and you slot that piece of string in there like that. And then obviously you've drawn back, it's drawn back, that is placed in there. You wouldn't think a ball would hold, but the balls do seem to hold in here. As long as you haven't got too much of a knot there, I reckon it might be better if you did it maybe with a loop. Because once the pouch is pulled like that, it holds the ball pretty well. And then what you do is, when you press this down, so you see it comes off. Reset that, put your string in again, and that's one way. I reckon you could definitely do another type of slingshot trigger. Like I said, at the minute, just a prototype though. That would definitely work. I thought I'd show you that because people definitely seemed interested in the last one. I'll see if later on I could do a proper version of this and actually put it on something, and in that way you can actually see how it would work properly. Put that and that on there. You can see how it's going to work. Anyway, I thought I'd show you that. I'll try it again later. I'll make a proper one, and I'll actually fit it on a piece of wood. Right, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.